Troop S2, Christian Alex Tablasa, Troop S3, Bobby Gini Greta, Troop S4, Sarah May Malvena, Troop S5, Nicole Balong, Troop S6, Major Leader, Marian A. Baton, DNC Leader, Eric Lontayo Jr., CDP Alpha Company Commander, Alvin Johanna Nicola, CDP Alpha Company Exo Chris Poligaspi, First Platoon Leader Boys, Janet Tablasa, Second Platoon Leader Boys, Alvin King, CDP Bravo Company Commander, Nazrin Azul, CDP Bravo Company Exo Janine Maldo, First Platoon Leader Girls, Johnny Pangay Walker, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Lea Baby Mailan, Mami Company Commander, Prince Jair Martinez, Mami Company Exo Girls Alone, First Platoon Leader, Mark Tessie Gonzalez, San Agustin Senior High School, San Agustin, Iriga City. Thank you. LG number 18, San Agustin Senior High School, Iriga City.